Hello, I'm Felicia Loo. Today, let's talk about the management review for SQF certification. It's an essential part of your food safety program, ensuring everything is on track and compliant. Think of management review as your regular checkup. You'll review your food safety plan, compliance records, and actions taken to solve issues. This helps you identify what's working well and where you need improvements. How do you conduct a management review? Gather your key team members, look at past performance, and set clear goals for improvements. Document the discussion, and use the insights to steer your food safety efforts forward. Need help simplifying this process? We're here to support you with your HACCP and SQF challenges, and we're experienced with CFIA and FDA requirements too. Reach out to us, and let's elevate your food safety journey together.